As you're working the deal and building the account map, you will identify white space and key individual teams or individuals you need to speak with. If you don't know who those individuals are, adding placeholders to the account map can ensure you don't forget to involve these stakeholders as you continue progressing through the deal. To add these key stakeholders, navigate to the account contact list on the left-hand side of the canvas. Near the bottom of the account's contact library, you'll see a contact labeled New Contact. Drag that shape to anywhere on the canvas to mark the individual. You'll need to give them a name to identify them. Our best practice is to use whatever you do know about them, like their role, title, or relationship to someone on the account you do know. This will also create a new contact with this information in Salesforce. When you discover who that person is as you continue working the deal, you can come back and update their contact information here in the Lucidchart account map. The new contact details will then be automatically pushed back to Salesforce.